In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line to a graph in Microsoft Excel. If you want to make your chart easier to understand and highlight the overall direction of your data, adding a trend line is a great option. It can help show whether values are generally increasing, decreasing, or following a particular pattern over time. The good news is that Excel makes this very simple once you know where to look. Start by opening your Excel file and locating the graph you want to work with. Once you've found the correct chart, click to select it. This is important because Excel will only show chart-specific formatting options when the graph is active. After selecting the graph, right-click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose Format. As soon as you do that, a formatting panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, switch to the Format tab. This is where you'll find the settings related to the chart's appearance and the data series inside it. Look for the Series section and click it to expand the available options. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Trend Line, along with a toggle on the right side. Turn that toggle on, and Excel will immediately add a trend line to your graph. At this point, the trend line will already be visible, but you can also customize it depending on what you need. For example, you can edit the trend line name if you want a more descriptive label. You can also choose a different trend line type, which is useful if your data follows a specific pattern and you want the line to reflect that more accurately. In the same area, you'll also have the option to set the intercept, which controls where the trend line crosses the vertical axis. You can adjust the forward and backward forecast settings as well, which allows the line to extend beyond your current data range. This can be helpful if you want to visualize projected movement based on existing values. You can also change the outline to adjust the appearance of the trend line so it stands out clearly on your chart. That's all there is to it. Once the trend line is turned on and adjusted to your preference, your graph will provide a clearer visual summary of the data trend. This is especially useful for reports, presentations, or any time you want your audience to quickly understand the overall pattern in your chart.